Lahore has been under a blanket of smog for over 2 weeks now. The cover descended on the city late in October and in the absence of rain has worsened over time, causing a variety of health problems for residents of the city. Scores of citizens have reported headaches, coughs, and difficulty breathing. With no rain being forecasted for another week, the city's air quality has steadily deteriorated into hazardous levels. Several accidents and huge traffic jams have also been reported as a result of low visibility. Lahore is experiencing this smog for the second year in a row. Multiple factors have contributed to this crisis, including construction in and around the city, burning of staples, use of wood for fuel, uncontrolled pollution from factories near the city, and burning of crops across the border. However, unlike last year, the provincial government is better equipped to deal with the crisis. A draft policy approved by the Punjab Environment Protection Council has outlined short and long-term measures to tackle the smog. In the short term, the EPD is collaborating with the Punjab Agriculture Department to prevent burning of staples in the open. The department is also monitoring burning activities using satellite data. They are also working with the traffic police to take measures to control traffic jams. Factories have also been directed not to burn plastic, wood, or rubber for fuel. As many as 103 factories have already been shut down across the city because they were not controlling carbon emissions. Action is also being taken against those found burning garbage. Long-term measures identified in the policy include the introduction of low-sulfur fuels, development of woodlands around major cities, and the promotion of environment-friendly technologies in industries.